can see, it's 9:23 a.m. It's currently at 99%. I'm watching YouTube, so I'm going to document the battery drain of usage throughout the day in this vlog, just to kind of give you guys an idea of how long the battery will last. Okay, so currently right now it's 10:43 a.m. from the last time I recorded. We're currently at 86%. I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos, and so yeah, that's where it's at right now. So if I was to go to settings and battery, and yeah, 1 hour and 31 minutes of screen on time, 3 hours since last fully charged. And it's down to 86%. As when I took it off the charger, I was recording the YouTube video and wasn't using the phone that much, so that's why it lasted that long. But since the last clip, where I was at 99%, all the way until now, I've been using the phone and watching YouTube videos and posting on Facebook and watching a live stream on Facebook of my baby sister graduating in the Air Force. So I'll continue on with more battery updates. Alright, so I just watched a couple of hours of Periscope live stream. Steed was live streaming. And since the last check, which was, I believe was at 86%, we're now down to 48%. So, you guys can see it's still in my recent apps drawer, but we'll go to battery. And yeah, 3 hours and 11 minutes of screen on time. Last fully charged 4 hours ago. So phone is used more than usual. Top apps battery usage: Periscope, YouTube, and Facebook. Right, so that's what I've been mostly using since the last full charge this morning. And this is where my battery percentage is at. So projected time is that it should last till 6:15 p.m. Doubt it, because I'm going to watch more YouTube videos and stuff like that and use some heavy work on it. And yeah, so we'll come back here in a little bit with another update. Alright, so after doing a video call with my sister on Facebook, we're down to 39% battery. Hold on. Alright. So I'm going to have to top this up though, because I am about to go run some errands and whatnot. But I'll show you guys for the battery. Projected time to last would have been until 5:30 p.m. So it's projecting another 5 hours. But to be honest with you, I know my usage on my smartphones. My projected time, this would have been down to about 10% within the next hour. Doing YouTube and, you know, just doing my everyday social media stuff and Instagramming and whatnot. So gotta top this up. But yeah, totally, you know, battery wise, you're gonna have to do some charges with the Pixel 4, just to be straight out with people. So just a quick little video talking about the battery life on it, my experience. Bless you. And yeah, that's it for right now, guys. Thanks for peeping the video, and as always, aloha.